Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel. This video is just going to be all about I am fixing to fix some supper, and I just want to show y'all two quick sides that you can make to go with any meal or to go with any meat of your choice, okay? Beef, pork, chicken, whatever you're making. Just two quick sides. One's going to be done in the air fryer, one's going to be done in the microwave. One is a convenience because y'all, in the microwave and sometimes when we're traveling, I have to go with convenience things when we're traveling because I don't have my pantries here. I don't have my freezers. I wished I did, dag nabbit, but sometimes I have to go buy those groceries, and all I've got to cook with is an air fryer, Instapot, or a microwave in the places that we travel to. So I'm just going to show y'all two quick sides tonight to throw together with a meat of your choice, or spaghetti, something like that, and just some fried green beans, okay, and some mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes I'm going to do in the microwave, just easy, quick little package, and then the green beans are going to be done in the air fryer. So welcome to today's video. Hey Gmo, what's for supper? So let's go in here and get started. Right here I have some onions chopped up, and I've got my green beans here with they're drained, and I've got some little bacon pieces and some more olive oil. I'm going to show you in a second. We can prep the green beans in the air fryer, but we're not going to turn them on yet because I don't want to trip the breaker. So I'll show you how to do that. All right, I have got the kind of air fryer that has like the little rack in the bottom of it. I have removed the rack because I want these to fry. I'm going to dump my green beans in the bottom. I'm going to take my onions, spread on top. Okay, let's get all these onions right here, y'all. I'm trying to do this one-handed. I don't have room anywhere, y'all, to set my phone down. Now I'm going to drizzle with some olive oil. Y'all, you can use bacon grease, but I don't travel with bacon grease, okay? But just know, bacon grease is awesome to fry green beans and onions in. Now, I'm going to just toss these around a little bit. I will be adding salt and pepper to these. That's it. At the very end, when I add the salt and pepper, I will put in the bacon bits. I don't want to put them in right now as I'm frying them because I don't want the bacon bits to get hard as a rock. So we're just going to let these hang out right here until it's time to do these. All right, y'all, it's time to get the green beans going. I'm going to do like 375 for like 12 minutes to start with. All right, y'all, the green beans are done in the air fryer. I am fixing to season them with salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder, and then I'm going to put my bacon bits in and put them back in there for maybe like 3 more minutes, okay? All right, seasoned, stirred, bacon bits added, and we're just going to do these again for like just 3 to 4 minutes, okay? We will try 3 first. All right, go back down to the same temperature, 375. All right. All right, y'all, these are done. I'm going to put these in a bowl, and then I am going to get started on the mashed potatoes. All right, y'all, for the mashed potatoes, I am just going to be using this little packet right here, y'all, of Idahoan Applewood smoked bacon mashed potatoes. I'm just going to follow the directions on the package. I'm going to heat up 2 cups of water in the microwave. You want your water boiling hot, is what it says, boiling hot water. All right, y'all, we are going to take that hot water. We're going to pour it in the bowl. See that steam? Okay, it tells you just pour the contents of this package in there. Stir it around, let it sit for a little bit. Oh, I got my spoon in here. Let me grab my spoon right quick. Dear hubby loves mayonnaise in his mashed potatoes. Okay, so we're going to add a little dollop of mashed potatoes mayonnaise in there when it gets done. Ooh, y'all, I smell that bacon. See how it's thickening up, y'all? These are just the easiest little packets. All you need is water and the contents of this package, y'all. It's just a convenience item that sometimes I have to do if I've got a microwave or something like that. He loves mashed potatoes and gravy. Okay, so yeah, sometimes I have to go for convenience. Now I'm going to add like a dollop or two of mayonnaise. I'll know it when I see it. About right there. He just likes that mixed in, y'all. Oh, y'all, if you don't like mayonnaise in there, try sour cream in your mashed potatoes. Y'all, at this point, you can add more bacon bits. You can add chives. Oh, I've got some chives over there. I'm going to add some of those, okay? He likes 2 dollops of mayonnaise, okay? That's just his preference, y'all, and I love him, and I'm going to fix him like he wants, okay? I'm going to get some chives in here. Y'all, you can add cheese to your mashed potatoes. I'm going to let these hang out. I'm going to go get my chives. All right, y'all, this is the mashed potatoes after they were chilling out for a little bit with the chives in it. Y'all, I apologize for not getting a clip of the mashed potatoes before I scooped some out and started fixing our plates. I apologize, but y'all, they're delicious. Okay, I taste tested and everything. But y'all, this is 2 easy sides that you can fix to go with any meal, any meat, okay? 1 in the air fryer, 1 in the microwave, easy peasy. Y'all enjoy your meals.